Food cart vendors are being urged to get registered or risk getting their properties seized by the authorities. The industry is thriving in downtown Kingston, but there are concerns the operations could pose a risk to public health. We have more in this report.
The food cart industry is listed by the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation as one of the fastest growing businesses in the corporate area. These restaurants on wheels often come closer to their customers to provide them with their favorite fast foods. The downside in all of this, though, is they are not regulated. This means sanitary standards cannot be guaranteed by health or local government authorities.
This is frightening. Currently, the city has no record of all the food vendors across the city. And not only is this a concern for the order and the structure within the city, it is also a threat to our food safety and our food security. Consequently, the municipality is moving towards formalizing the food vending industry.
Consequently, come November, operators of mobile restaurants who are unregistered could have their units impounded. Leader of the Minority Caucus in the KSAMC, Andrew Swaby, raised objections, saying the opposition side was not briefed on the developments.
I have asked these questions from May. These articles come out and the KSAC has not refuted them. Who am I supposed to believe?
The Commercial Services Committee Chairman, Councillor Dwayne Smith, hit back, saying the matter has been ventilated. However, the PNP members were too busy with internal leadership squabbles in the party to notice.
In more recent months, Your Worship, I have spoken specifically to my concern about the mobile food cart industry. However, Councillor Swaby and his team, as you know, have been distracted for the last several months. So they have not been to me.
Persons who operate mobile or food cart restaurants in Kingston and St. Andrew are being urged to get in touch with the KSAMC for guidelines on how to get their business straight. Prince Moore, TVJ News.